窝弯的词。towards
Towards
archive archive
Archive
soldier soldier。 英语太疯狂了。最大的关于学英语的谎言是什么？需要更多词汇量？不是，你需要的是开始开口说。
What's your favorite way to relax after a busy day?
After a busy day, I love doing sport.
Nice one. That sentence is clear and natural. What sport do you usually do to relax?
I just go to the gym.
What's your favorite workout at the gym?
I love leg days.
Leg days are the best. Next time, we can chat more about your gym routine.
这就是为什么 Fluently 很有用，它就像一个随时在你口袋里的口语伙伴。不要一直学英语，用 Fluently 开始说英语吧。